Alright, let's settle it. Linux Mint or Windows 11? If you're a tech beginner wondering which one is best for you, stick around for this speedy showdown. First up, Linux Mint, the free and private choice. Mint is perfect if you want a system that's lightning fast, super secure, and actually respects your privacy. No annoying ads, no one tracking your clicks. Mint feels a lot like classic Windows, so you won't feel lost if you're switching over. It's totally free, runs smoothly even on old laptops, and comes with essentials like LibreOffice and Firefox. Plus, updates are on your schedule, never forced restarts in the middle of your work. Now, Windows 11, the everything works option. If you want plug-and-play convenience, Windows 11 brings it. It's the gold standard for high-end gaming, creative software like Adobe Suite, and just about anything you'd find in a corporate job. The design is slick, multitasking is super easy with snap layouts, and it works with pretty much every printer or gadget you can think of. No searching for drivers. Plus, if you love AI features, Copilot and Microsoft 365 are built right in. So, how do they compare? Linux Mint is user-friendly, runs on almost any old hardware, and gives you open-source tools right from the start. Windows 11? Super familiar, but you'll need a newer PC, especially with those TPM 2.0 requirements. For gaming, Windows 11 is king, but Mint holds its own with Steam and Proton. Privacy? Mint wins hands down, no sneaky data collection. Here's the bottom line. Pick Linux Mint if you want a private, fast and free system for browsing and office work. Go with Windows 11 if you're a hardcore gamer or need specific pro software. Either way, you can't really go wrong, just choose what fits you best.